One lawyer says that Bongbong Marcos' non-payment of fines in relation to his 1995 conviction strengthens the petitions against his candidacy. Attorney Ted Te, counsel for the petitioners, said that the former senator continues to deceive the public by refusing to settle his penalties up until now. Te and other lawyers were able to secure a certification from a QC trial court that there are no records of Bongbong Marcos having paid for his tax conviction fines. Recall that the Court of Appeals ordered Marcos Jr. to pay penalties after being convicted for tax evasion back in 1982 until 1985. And a sixth disqualification case has been filed against Bongbong Marcos. This is on top of another case filed against him by a former official of the Partido Federal ng Pilipinas. Greg Gregorio with the rest of the details.
After a string of disqualification and cancellation petitions, presidential aspirant Bongbong Marcos is facing another hurdle. Abubakar Mangelen, who claims to be the chairman of Partido Federal ng Pilipinas, filed a declaration of nullity of the party's certificate of nomination for Marcos. He says that Marcos was neither an officer nor a member of the political party.
I have not seen the CONA or the COC, no? That is one thing that we want to find out with the COMELEC. And they should have to study the contents of our petition.
But according to PFP Secretary General Thompson Lantion, the party unseated Mangelen as chairman on September 18. That very day, Marcos was endorsed as their presidential bet. He said that come October 5, Marcos joined PFP and assumed chairmanship. The following day, he filed his COC. Apart from Mangelen's filing, another disqualification case was filed against Marcos. Akbayan and their co-petitioners argue that Marcos should be perpetually disqualified from holding public office. They also cited the former senator's 1995 conviction for failure to file income tax returns as basis, citing this as ground for moral turpitude. This petition is the seventh case to be filed seeking to bar Marcos from running for president. Two petitions, meanwhile, seek to dismiss a petition to cancel COC of Marcos.
Hopefully, agad-agad itong aksyonan ng COMELEC kasi habang tumatagal pa ito at masama siya sa printing ng balota, masasayang lang din yung boto ng mga tao.
Akbayan supports the presidential bid of Vice President Leni Robredo, but says this has nothing to do with their petition.
Fina-file natin to independently from any other political candidate kasi yung paniniwala natin ay dapat yung ma-elect na presidente ay rumerespeto sa karapatang pantao, hindi tayo ninanakawan at syempre nakikinig sa iba't ibang mga sektor.
The camp of Bongbong Marcos said they respect the right of, quote, delusion groups to take whatever legal action they think would best serve their own agenda. For News 5, Greg Gregorio, we are One News.
One incumbent official of the Partido Federal ng Pilipinas is disowning the nullification case filed against Bongbong Marcos. PFP Vice President for Mindanao, Asam Ulangkaya, told the chiefs that the petition filed by former party chairman Abubakar Mangelen is nothing but a joke. Ulangkaya said Mangelen was unseated as chairman last September 18. Bongbong Marcos then joined the party and assumed chairmanship in October before formalizing his presidential bid under the PFP.
Ipinail po na petisyon sa COMELEC ay dalawang isyu na pawang pong kasinungalingan at katatawa-tawa. Una po, sinabi sa naturang pong petisyon na ang aming pong presidential candidate ay hindi membro ng Partido Federal ng Pilipinas at ang petitioner sa pangalan po ni Ginoong Abubakar Mangelen ay chairman daw po ng Partido Federal ng Pilipinas na hindi naman totoo.